Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti, and if you don't know, I am the face and the voice behind all the content under Infiniti Crafting Co. So anytime you see that name on the web, it is me. Today I am bringing you guys day 25 of Vlogust, and today's topic is how I learned how to read/write crochet patterns. So back when I first started kind of crocheting, I was more of a visual learner as far as crocheting goes. I was very much on YouTube every day trying to figure out different things with the craft, and that was great. Some of the videos that I watched had abbreviations and definitions flashing up on the screen, which was actually pretty helpful. That was actually really cool for them to do that. And so, you know, some of that stuff I was like, oh, okay, SC is single crochet, and so on and so on and so on. But then too, I noticed that on the labels of my yarn they had patterns on the back of them, and I think I actually made one or two at some point way back then. I don't even have pictures anymore, but you know, some labels they have the abbreviations for the stitches that they use in the pattern, and they'll list them and they'll tell you what they mean, and some of them will even go as far as to tell you how to work them. Other ones just leave you with the definition, and which is good and fine. So you know, once I actually started getting into writing my patterns, I did a lot of Google searching, and I'm like, okay, how to write patterns, what does this abbreviation mean, how do I do this? And so I by chance stumbled across the Craft Yarn Council. Their website is really a really awesome resource for crafters. That's whether you crochet or knit or really do anything with yarn. They're just all for it. And so, you know, they had a whole list of abbreviations for crochet and Tunisian crochet as well, but crochet, and the definition of them in both US and UK terms, which is really helpful. They let you know what the little brackets mean, what the little asterisks mean. And for a while there, I just had that pinned in my browser as I would go back and forth and work different patterns, or as I started to kind of sketch down my own patterns, I would use that list as a reference. And to this day, I still use pretty much all of those abbreviations and definitions. The only thing is I have noticed is that my abbreviation for slip stitch is a little different. I use SLST, and some people use SLP, and I'm like, okay, well, okay, there's a difference. And that's something that you notice too between patterns, is that everybody has kind of their own abbreviation for something different, which is interesting when it comes to crochet. But for the most part, you know, you can pretty much figure out what each abbreviation means. And the Yarn Craft Council is, or the Craft Yarn Council, oh my gosh, one day I'll get that right. The Craft Yarn Council is really a really helpful resource. They have not only the list for crochet, but they have it for Tunisian crochet, and they also have it for knitting. So when you branch out into different crafts, or if you branch out into different crafts and start writing patterns, or just needing to read more advanced patterns, that is definitely one of my #1 resources to go to look that up. And no, this video is not sponsored, but that was actually really helpful resource that I had, and I just wanted to share that today. One day I'm going to move my crochet hook bowl, and I won't keep hitting it in my videos. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, or at least provided a helpful resource. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on Instagram, don't forget to heart this and go back and leave me a follow, because this is Vlogust, and I will be doing these vlog type videos for the rest of August. If you have any questions regarding crafting, YouTubing, crafterpreneurship, let me know, and I will make a video regarding your questions within the next few days. We're almost at the end of August. Next Monday is what, the 31st? I think that is awesome. There was something else I was going to say, and now I don't remember what it is. So I'll be leaving the link to that website in the description box below, or in my description on Instagram, because I post in both places. If you don't know, that's why I mention both in these videos. The link to my Instagram, my new Instagram page, is down in my description box on YouTube. So if you want to check that out, it's there for you guys. And until tomorrow, happy making!